Create Messenger account without Facebook. For this, open your Messenger application, tap on Create New Account. So right here, you have to go ahead and enter your first name and your last name. So go ahead and do that. Then tap on Next. Select your birthday and tap on Set. Then tap on Next. Select your gender, then tap on Next. Here, you can go ahead and enter your mobile number or just sign up with your email. That's up to you. Then set a password for your Messenger account. Once you are done, tap on Next. Enter the verification code sent to your mobile number or your email address right here and then tap on Next. You can add your profile picture for your Messenger account or skip it for now. And just like that, you have created your Messenger account for you. So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.